Globe, latitudes and longitudes. So dear children, in this video we are going to discuss question answers of this chapter that's name is Globe, Latitudes and Longitudes. Chapter number 2, Geography. So here we start. The first question is, what is the true shape of the earth? So the true shape of the earth is not a sphere. Earth is not a sphere. And second, you need to add in your answer, it is slightly flattened at the north pole and at the south pole. So earth is not a perfect sphere, it is slightly flattened at north pole and south pole, and in the middle part it is bulging and bulge in the middle. So you need to remember it. So here we have done. Go to next question. What is a globe? Very simple answer. It is, you know very well what is a globe. Globe is a true model of the earth. You can write globe is a miniature form of the earth, miniature model of the earth. Very simple. Next question is, what is the latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer? So here it is. Latitudinal value of the Tropic of Cancer is 23.5 degree north, and here you can see in this diagram 23.5 degree north. You can see in the red box. So this is Tropic of Cancer, and here in the box value is mentioned. So Tropic of Cancer, here you can see in the northern hemisphere, and its value is 23.5 degree north. Next question. What are the three heat zones of the earth? So you need to mention names of these. So first one is torrid zone, second is temperate zone, and next one is frigid zone. So these three different heat zones are there available on the earth. You can add some details also in this. So here you can do like this. First one, torrid zone. So you can mention their temperature. So there is extremely hot temperature in torrid zone because it get direct sun rays. Second one is temperate zone. So this zone experience moderate temperature. Why? Because slight slanting sun rays are there in this zone. And third one is frigid zone. So there is extremely cold temperature. Right? So here it is. And if you want to add further detail in this, so you can mention their places where these are placed, the location of these three zones. Like here you can see in this picture, the area of torrid zone is between Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. So this is the zone of torrid zone. And temperate, you can see in the northern hemisphere there is Tropic of Cancer to Arctic Circle, and in southern hemisphere here you can see it is Tropic of Capricorn to Antarctic Circle. And frigid zone in the northern hemisphere from Arctic Circle to North Pole, and frigid zone in the southern hemisphere Antarctic Circle to South Pole. So this is the location. You can mention this also, but in this question here it is asked only name. If it is asked in your exam details, so you need to mention such kind of details also, right? So here we have done. Go to the next question. What are the parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes? So what are the parallels of latitudes? Very simple, these are latitudes. And meridians of longitudes, simple, these are asking about longitudes. So here it is. So parallels of latitudes, here you need to mention all parallel circles from the equator up to the poles are called parallels of latitudes. You know children, these all latitudes, these all are horizontal imaginary lines available on earth. These are latitudes. Here it is. And next one is meridians of longitudes. So lines of references running from north pole to south pole are called meridians of longitudes, right? So here you can see in this picture, you can see these horizontal lines, these are latitudes. And in this picture, in this diagram, you can see from north to south, these are the imaginary lines, these are meridians of longitudes, right? Now let's go to the next question. Why does the torrid zone receive maximum amount of heat? So very simple, it is, the midday sun is extremely overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. In this zone, the zone lies between Tropic of Cancer to Capricorn. Here this is the area. Here sun remain overhead and direct sun rays fall in this area. So that is why this experience extremely hot climatic conditions. So this area therefore receive maximum heat and is called torrid zone. Here it is. Next question is why it is 5:30 p.m. in India and 12 noon in London. So here answer is London. It is situated at 0 degree longitude, right? 0 degree GMT that is. So whereas Indian standard meridian is 82.5 degree east, right, of prime meridian. So there is a difference. One is situated at 0 degree and another IST is situated at 82.5 degree east, right children? Then see next, each degree of longitudes corresponds to the difference of 4 minutes. To cover 1 degree it requires 4 minutes. So by this way, Indian Standard Time IST is 5 hours and 30 minutes ahead of GMT. So it is 5:30 p.m. in India when it is 12 noon in London, right? Here you can see. So here in the center, this blue line, it is showing Greenwich Mean Time GMT, and here you can see from the mid part of India, this another blue line you can see, this is IST Indian Standard Time. So here it is situated on 0 degree and IST is situated on 82.5 degree east. Now let's go to question number 2. Tick the correct answers. So here the first question is the value of prime meridian is. So the value of prime meridian is 0 degree. Next one is the frigid zone lies near. So the frigid zone lies near the poles. Very simple, right? Next one is the total number of longitudes are 316 number, right? Next question is the Antarctic Circle is located in. So Antarctic Circle is located in the southern hemisphere. Next question is grid is a network of. So grid is a network of parallels of latitudes and meridians of longitudes, right? Here it is. Next question is, that is fill in the blanks. The first one is the Tropic of Capricorn is located at. So the Tropic of Capricorn is located at 23.5 degree north, its value. Next one is the standard meridian of India is. So standard meridian of India, that is IST, it is located as 82 degree 30 minute east longitudes, right? You can mention it like that also, like 82.5 degree east. That is also the right way. Next question is the 0 degree meridian is also known as. So 0 degree meridian is also known as prime meridian, right? Next question is the difference between the longitudes and decreases towards. So the difference between the longitudes decreases towards, where it decreases, so it decreases towards poles, right? And the Arctic Circle is located near the hemisphere. So Arctic Circle located near which hemisphere? So that hemisphere is northern hemisphere, right children? So here we have discussed these all the question answers of this chapter. I hope you correct. So thank you. Have a nice day.